Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of finance to discuss an essential concept, net cost. Whether you're a business owner, a budget-conscious individual, or simply interested in understanding financial matters, this guide will shed light on the importance of net cost and how it can impact your financial decisions. Before we delve into the details, let's define what net cost actually means. Net cost refers to the total cost of a product or service after accounting for any discounts, rebates, or additional expenses. In simpler terms, it's the amount you actually pay out of your pocket. Imagine you're buying a new smartphone. The price tag may say $1,000, but after applying a $200 discount, the net cost of the phone would be $800. It's crucial to understand the net cost because it provides a more accurate representation of what you'll be spending. Now that we understand what net cost is, let's discuss why it's so important. First and foremost, net cost allows you to make informed financial decisions. By considering the actual amount you'll be paying, you can compare prices, evaluate the value for money, and choose the most cost-effective option. Take, for instance, purchasing a car. Two dealerships may offer the same model at different prices, but by factoring in discounts, incentives, and any additional expenses like taxes or fees, you'll get a clearer picture of which option is truly more affordable. Additionally, net cost plays a vital role in budgeting. When planning your finances, understanding the net cost allows you to allocate your resources effectively. You can accurately determine how much you'll be spending on various items and services, ensuring you stay within your budgetary limits. Let's say you're renovating your home and have set aside $10,000 for the project. By calculating the net cost of materials, labor, and any discounts you may receive, you'll have a better idea of whether your budget aligns with your goals. Net cost is particularly significant for businesses. Entrepreneurs need to evaluate the profitability of their products or services by considering the net cost of production, marketing, and overhead expenses. It allows them to determine the selling price that covers all costs while ensuring a reasonable profit margin. As a business owner, understanding net cost empowers you to make strategic decisions regarding pricing, discounts, and promotions. It helps you find a balance between attracting customers and maintaining a healthy bottom line. So, to sum it up, net cost is the actual amount you pay for a product or service after considering all discounts and additional expenses. It's essential because it enables you to make informed financial decisions, helps with budgeting, and is a critical factor for businesses to determine profitability. That concludes our in-depth guide to net cost. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with net cost, feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future finance-related videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and keep learning.